We'll guide you through how to make logo pattern in Illustrator. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Once Illustrator is open, go to the top menu bar and click File to access the available options. From the drop-down menu, choose New to open the preset selection window. Select the preset size you want for your project, then click Create to open a new canvas. Before making a logo pattern, you must already have a logo prepared. To add the logo to your canvas, import it from the folder where it is saved on your computer. Click File again on the top menu bar, then choose Place from the drop-down menu. Browse your computer folders, select the logo file you want to use, and confirm your selection. Place the logo onto the canvas by left-clicking, then adjust its size and position until it looks correct. Since the logo uses a white base color, you should change the canvas background color so the logo becomes easier to see. Open the File menu again, choose Document Setup, and change the background color settings. After selecting the color, check the Simulate Colored Paper box and click OK. Next, find the Artboard tool in the toolbar and click it to apply your change. The background color has changed successfully. Select your logo, go to the Properties panel, and click Embed to fully place the image into the document. Add another supporting shape to improve the overall logo design. After that, select all objects on the canvas and group them together. Go to the Object menu on the top bar, choose Pattern, and then click Make. A new adjustment panel will appear where you can modify the pattern settings. Use this panel to adjust the pattern layout and repetition style until you are satisfied with the result. When everything looks correct, click Done to save the pattern. Your logo has now been turned into a pattern, and you can find it in the Swatches panel to apply it onto any shape you create. After applying the pattern, you can resize the shape, duplicate it, or experiment with different colors to create designs for posters, packaging, graphics, or branding projects.